Welcome everyone to a Khan Academy tutorial. We're doing identify polynomials today. So this is really kind of like the introduction to what is a polynomial. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, one of the factors of, or conditions I should say, of a polynomial is it needs to have a real coefficient. Okay, that means there's no imaginary numbers. So if you see anything in front of variables that is like the square root of negative 16, which is the same thing as 4i, that is not allowed in a polynomial. So nothing like that. So that is the first condition of a polynomial. And the second is exponents have to be, oops, sorry, I got low battery, we'll make this quick. Exponents have to be, sorry, not real numbers, but whole numbers. Okay, so there's no fraction in the exponent. Okay, so if we have something like x to the 1/2, that's no good, or x to the negative 3, that's no good. Okay, both of those are not whole numbers, so those are no good. So if we're looking here, let's go ahead and apply it. If we're looking here, we see that we have k in the denominator here, and here, and here. And the only one that has k in the numerator is this one. K cannot be in the denominator to be a polynomial. That essentially means that we have a negative exponent. Okay, so this one would be k to the negative 2, and that would be plus k to the negative 4. Those are negative exponents, so a and b are excluded. It can be in a fraction, just has to be in the numerator. This is the same thing as 1 over 7 times k plus 5, and that's okay. We have a whole number exponent, it would just be 1. We have a real coefficient, 1 over 7, and then plus 5, that's fine. So just C is the answer here. All right, next question. Which of the following are polynomials? So let's take a look here. You may think, oh my gosh, it has 1/2, this can't be it. That's fine because this is going to be a real number. Okay, it's just when you have variables to the 1/2, like right here. We have, let me erase this, if I can select the eraser. When we have variables to the 1/2 power, that's no good. When we have variables to the 1/2 power or fractions, that's no good. Okay, but here we have a to the first power. Oops, red's my like no color. That's a to the 1. That's fine. That's a real number right here. It's not a variable, so that's fine. So a can be our answer here, but not B or C because we have a variable raised to a fraction, and it's got to be a whole number for our variables. Okay, I don't know if I said that in the first question, but it has to be our variables. All right, next question. Okay, so we have a lot of answers here, and which of the following are polynomials? At first glance, it looks like all of them. So as you can see here, all of them have whole number exponents. We have 4, we have 2. This is a 1, 0, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. This is just 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's a polynomial. I mean, it's a constant to the degree of 0, but that's a polynomial, equals 3. So I'm guessing all of these are polynomials. We don't have any imaginary coefficients, so A, B, and C, all polynomials. All right, last one. Which of the following are polynomials? Okay, very clear here. We have negative exponents, so that's bad. And I think that's the only one. This one has dot, dot, dot. That's fine. It's a polynomial. It doesn't show that it has any negative exponents and no imaginary coefficients. And same thing with C. So it looks like B and C are our two winners. And that's it. Hopefully you guys understand the basics of polynomials now, and hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to watch future videos. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.